In this video tutorial, I am going to design this model. So the dimensions are given in centimeters. We are going to select the dimension in centimeters, and all the dimensions are given here. So first thing is that I am going to design this part of the model, and then these holes, then make them a circular pattern. So first thing is that we needed to check the units are in centimeters. Select it, okay. So I am going to select create sketch and open this sketch on this front surface. And first thing is that I am going to design lines, a vertical line, then horizontal line, and then again a vertical line. So drag the point and check mark and click on select. So we are not in the line command. Then again select the line command and draw a line from the origin like that, and select. Now this line, we just needed this line for a construction. So I am going to select this line and then select this construction. It will convert this line or dotted line. This line is just for our reference. And next thing is that we needed to see the dimensions. So from here to here, this vertical dimension is 2.5, and the dimension from region to this line is 10 centimeters. And as you see, different constraints are also showing in that drawing. Here is a constraint, this small rectangular, it is telling us that this line is in the midpoint of that construction line. So I am going to select create dimension and then give the dimension. So this dimension is 2.5, and dimension from this line, select this line and then this origin and make a dimension like that. This dimension is 10. Just zoom it or zoom out to make it like the favorable positions. And then I am going to select midpoint. I'm going to select this line and this line. Now this line will be in the middle of that line. So if you verify that dimension from here to here will be the half of 2.5, which is 1.25. And next thing is that I am going to draw this circle. I am going to draw a reference line starting from this origin in that direction and then draw these two circles. So just select line, draw a line like here and select it, and then select this line to make a reference line. So reference line will be converted into a dotted line. Then select this circle. This is my first circle and this is my second circle, and the dimension of circle is 2.5 and 1. Create sketch dimension. This dimension is 2.5 and this dimension is 1. Okay, and position dimension from this point to this is 2.5. I'm going to select this point and this center point and place a dimension here. It's 2.5. Okay. Now we needed to make these two circle a circular pattern. So I am going to create, select circular pattern, and under the objects I am going to select this line and this line, and for the center I am going to select this center. And as you see, under the quantity, the three quantities are selected. So the required quantity is 3. 3 is good. We can add 4, but we needed 3. 3 quantity is selected. As you see, under the type, it is making a full circular pattern. A circle has 360 degree, so full main it will be pattern according to the 360 angle. So if you can change the type, like we can put angle or symmetric. So I am going to put angle. So when you select angle, then you needed to define the total angle where you want to make the circular pattern. So the circular, for the total angle, it's selected 180. So 180 is our requirement because we needed the circular pattern for 180, as you see, like that shape. So that's good. Click OK. So this pattern is done. Now we needed to draw some lines I'm going to make it like here, or make it like here, and then select a line and draw a line on that circle to anywhere on that line. We can make them, you can draw it anywhere, then we will add the constraint. So we select the line command, and then we wanted this line a horizontal line, and this line again horizontal line, and we needed the tangent relation for this circle, for this line and this circle, and for this line and this circle, so it becomes tangent. So as you see, there are some extra lines which basically we don't need that, so we go to modify and trim. I'm going to trim it and trim this portion, it will disappear. So next thing is that there are two circles here which are tangent to this circle and this circle, and two circles here. So diameter of this circle are 2.5. I'm going to add them. Select circle, draw a circle like here, and draw a circle like here, and select the dimension, sketch dimension, and this dimension is 2.5, and this diametral dimension is also 2.5. And then select the tangent constraint, select this circle and this circle. As you see, the tangent constraint is added and symbol is showing that, and then this circle and this circle, and then this circle and this circle, and this circle and this circle. Now we needed to remove the extra portion of that circle. So select trim, go to the portion which you don't want it, we don't want this portion, click, sorry, so trim, we don't want this portion, I'm going to select this one, and we don't want this portion, I'm going to select this one. So as you see, the whole sketch is converted to black, that means it's fully defined. Then we needed to make this corner round corner, so its radius is 0.5. so go to modify and select fillet. So select this corner and a fillet will be added. So we needed to change the dimension of this is 0.5, add them. So the corner of this is radius 0.5. Now this one is done. I'm going to make this cut here, there are some cuts, so I'm going to make them. So I'm going to select a line tool, I'm going to zoom in, draw a line like that, then again same way, and zoom out, then again like that, and select dimension tool. We needed to define the position dimension. So from here to here, this is 1, okay, and this dimension is 0.6, and dimension from this line to this line is also 1, and dimension from this line to this line is also 1, and dimension for this is 0.25, and dimension from here to here sorry, alright, this dimension, and sorry, we made some mistakes. I'm going to just redo it. So dimension from here, and the line from here, then a line from here and here, then here and here and we needed to make this like that. Now sketch dimension, this dimension is 1, dimension from here to here is 1, this dimension is 1, dimension from here to here is also 1. So for this line, this dimension is 0.6 and this dimension is 0.25, and then dimension from here to this line, this dimension is given as 0.5. So then just click it, zoom to fit, and you can zoom in and zoom out. So this is done. Just click on finish, go to home view, and then click extrude. We wanted to extrude this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion. Under profile we are selected 4, and then select the thickness of this key is 1 centimeter. Select the dimension 1 centimeter. So this is done. As you can see, it's done. You can rotate it and see that.